was washing my car outside. I went to turn. I heard a very loud pop and I fell to the ground.
Okay, all right. So you fell out and then you had knee pain.
Yes,
And you've never had a patella dislocation before, right?
I have not.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick his knee up. We're going to flex it, and then we're going to extend it. Meanwhile, you're pushing over to the side because patella dislocations, when they happen, are usually lateral, almost always lateral.
Mm-hmm.
I want this to go fast. I want it to go smooth because it's going to hurt, but I want that just to be a very brief hurt.
It'll be fast.
It should be fast. You can say anything you want.
Okay.
You won't hurt our feelings. It's not like we've not heard these words before. So, okay,
that was
so.
a fine response.
What's that?
If I yell at you, I don't mean it.
Okay, all right, so let's go ahead. Let's get started. Ready?
Break my hand.
Pick his leg up. All right.
Do you need me anywhere to
No.
Gotcha.
Phil,
Squeeze my
you
hand.
feel, okay, ready? And you're
Squeeze
gonna
my
push
hand
up
hard
and
as
over.
you can.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Squeeze it.
You got it. You got it.
Squeeze it.
Up here.
Squeeze. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Is it back?
It's it. It's back. That was fast.
Thank you.
That's good.
So we'll see you guys, and you'll be seeing orthopedics and follow-up here in a minute.
call on Tuesday?
All right. Take care.
Thank you.
Always call back if there's any problems.
Yes.